get to focus on the music. Explore a vast catalog of millions of songs without hearing ads, or download your playlist to listen to them anywhere. You can also play your favorite songs in any order, with the freedom to skip forward and backward as much as you'd like. Your audio, your control. Tap the banner to learn more.
All right, guys, let's get this stream started. Thank you all for tuning in from wherever you're tuning in from. Let's start the stream. Let's start the stream, guys. Let's start the stream, guys. And let's start the stream. And happy new month to everyone. Happy new month. It's a beautiful month. All right, guys. All right, guys. Okay, this is Friday, and let's do this quickly. Let's do this quickly. Yes, yes, apply. So, so we have NFP today, so I'll most likely be training NFP, although I'm going out, but I think I will delay my stepping out till after NFP. So I'll be trading the news events with just try to buy stuff and sell stuff and monitoring it. But it seems like Trump has um 7 hours ago. Let me check this out. 1 second, guys. Trump raises tariff on Canada from 25% to 35%, effective 1st of August. So this tariff will take effect today. So Trump has increased the tariff plan on Canada. So let's see if there's any more thing coming out today. 4 hours ago, Trump just released his new tariff plan. Yes. So all these things are things that will affect the basically all these things affect news, affect our price. So I'm just looking at this, taking notes of what's going on. I'm just what's going on. So if you know what section we had, this is what you can look at. You can see by currently at Tokyo, so pre-New York section, and pre-London section. Sorry, so I'm about to enter London section. So let's wait. 1:30, I will break down. 1 o'clock, 1:15. I'm going to break down news. Tell you guys what I think, what I'm expecting price to do, and how I'm going to go in. So let's go back to our chart and let's see what's going on. So this is good on the 15 minutes. But let's start from the monthly candle. So this is a new month. So let's see how the previous month ended. And from there we can break it down. So this is looking at gold. Looking at gold, we can see that the candle is what we have close bearish. See a lot of rejection. So you can see a lot of rejection. But price has already created its highs, and this was the particular candle that gave us the high, and this was in April. April was very good, was basically its all-time high. So this very good is currently. So let's go over to the weekly. Let's step it down. Now we have identified that the monthly end bearish, but failed to break either above or below. So this particular monthly candle is an indecisive candle. So that's what I'm saying here on gold. So if I go over to our weekly time frame again, back to weekly, you can see that the weekly candle is still on. This is a weekly candle which ends in the next 40 hours. But it's currently giving me a bearish momentum. You can see the bearish momentum, and we have this weekly support here, and at the left hand of it, you can see a barcode. This is a barcode on the left hand. This is the crazy barcode on the left hand. So now let's go over to the daily time frame and let's see what's going on the daily. So in the daily, this support level which is very strong. You can see how strong this support level close. You can see this candle close bullish just right at the support level, and the current candle is currently indecisive, doesn't give us a direction yet of where it wants to go, if it wants to push either to the upside or the downside. That's basically what I see on the group currently. Hold on, let me bring out my tools. I think the tools are missing. So that's what I see. So let's see drop down to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the 4 hour is doing. So the 4 hour is now flipping bearish, and price created a support level here in 4 hours. You can see the support level price rate. So let's see if this candle, and mind you, this currently 4 hours has broken above the high, but I think it never created a bottom. So this might also be like a retest of price to keep pushing upward, or price just wants to start pushing like just change bias and go like go to its overall bias, which is bearish. So that's something you should be mindful of. So if I go down to my daily time frame, you can see that the current 1 hour is engulfing the previous one. You can see this is engulfing, it has even broken below. And we have a level here. We have a level of resistance around this level where we look to go to like buy price to the upside. So if I go down to 30 minutes, let's see if we're going to get any levels in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes, you have a support here that price is trying to break below, but it's not broken below yet. But I don't use it for 15 minutes. I need a stronger level where, because a lot of rejection. So I think this is where I'll leave it. This exact point where it is, this is where I'm going to leave it. So this is where I want price to break below before I look for sales. And we have around 50 pip range below that structure. So let's see how this candle close. Let's see how the candle close. I'm looking for buys above this level. So this is what I'm working with. So I'm looking for buys above. I'm looking for buys above. Sales below. So this is what I'm waiting for. This is what I'm anticipating. So let's just wait and see what the price does. Then we know exactly what we're doing. We know exactly what we're doing. So while we're doing that, while we're waiting for price to do whatever, let's look at GJ quickly before it's London open, and let's work our way. So let's go back to the monthly as well. The monthly on TJ ended bullish. Finally, you can see the bullish continuation like I created last time. You see it rejects broke above, so you can actually see bullish continuation from here. Then the weekly time frame is looking like it's bullish as well. The weekly is bearish, bullish. That I can see from people, but I don't like what's going on here in the weekly time frame or rejection. But you can see that price is looking above this level. And let me take off this anyway. So you can see price has broken above, so we can kind of see that price will likely start pushing to the upside from where it is now. So let's go over to the daily time frame. Let's say one on daily. So in daily, we're also in the daily range. Price has been moving sideways for a while. You can see the small rejection. You can see one big bullish candle. For this price, we need to break up before we consider buying it. So if I go to the 4 hour time frame, you can see that 4 hours, these are just our levels. This is our major level here. So on the 4 hours, price have a level where that go below. My likely say sell, but I don't know. The balance is bullish, so let's scale down. So this is the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour, I can actually adjust the level to this point and also draw this level as a support level because price is holding this place. If I go to the 30 minutes, it's the same thing, still holding that stop. If I go to the 15 minutes, 15 minutes is 30 minutes has actually broken above, but it's coming back into the zone right now. So if this candle can reject and close weak bear like this, let me show you guys. We have about 7 minutes, so if you can close this weak bear like this, we can anticipate buying the price from the next candle to go to the top. Basically, let's buy it to the top like this. Like if we close weak bear, but looking at it's going to close bearish. So let us wait and see how it moves. So if you're looking for anything, any opportunity, that's like for buys, you're looking for buys. But for sales, you can wait and see if price will close below, below this level here. Then you can, I consider it a fake out, and you can sell the price. So that's what I see on GG. So let me just walk away from GG. That's the best thing. That's the best thing I can do for myself. So let's wait. If we get any opportunity on GJ, and we can look through and need to place a trade. Three more minutes for the end of the candle, guys. 3 more minutes. Okay, guys, the hourly candle has closed on gold, and there's nothing to see here. Price just closed back in Dolphin. There's nothing actually to see here. You can see my levels I have, my sales below, and my buys above. So let's wait for price to do this thing. But I highly doubt that we might actually get any opportunities this time. Like I highly doubt. So what we can do now is just wait and just wait. That's everything we can do. We just have to wait and see how price respond to everything that's going on. Good. Hopefully this candle can just push one big push and close below the structure. And we can need to go for shots. You get. But for now, there's nothing going on. This is the area I'm looking to either here or yeah. These are the area I'm looking to sell below. And the price might likely cover this entire range to the downside today. I don't know if I can cover the downside today, but let's wait and see how that goes. So for now, I'm working on a little project, so I'm asking ChatGPT what to do. But I'm still active and I'm looking for any opportunities just to see. I'm saying that you guys will know what I'm talking about. You guys will see the trade. Okay, I'm active. I'm looking at my screen. I'm looking at see what I'm just multitasking basically. So let's keep going. So I'll let you guys know. No thumbs up or what thumbs down. But for now, nothing's going on, guys. Let's just relax, watch the trade, and anyways, let's see how this 15 minutes close. So hopefully we can get the closure below on the 15 minutes. So if we do get a closure in 15 minutes, then we can anticipate price to selling pressure to come. You get like if we can get this bearish candle closing, this candle closing bearish like this, and this candle looking up for a rejection, then we can buy the flip of the candle, put our stop above here or above here, then look to sell price to the downside. Hopefully today is Friday, so what is going to happen is that I will look to hold my position longer today. But if we get stop at BE, then no problem. But since today is Friday, the end of the week, so I look to hold my trade longer so we can see if we can make more money on it or not. So let's see how that goes. Hmm.
Want to spice up your listening? Smart Shuffle can weave in song recommendations for your playlist when you join Spotify Premium. Or start a jam, where you can invite your friends to create and add to shared playlists, all with unlimited skips and repeats. Tap the banner to learn more.
Alright guys, there's nothing going on, so you can see gold rejecting that level now. So just have to wait. Alright guys, as you see, we're still waiting on gold to break highs or low. So um, mm, Nothing going on, guys. If you have any question, you can just hit me up with any question. There's nothing going on in chat. I'm just still waiting. I'm just still waiting, basically. Hopefully, we get something nice soon, so we can place a trade. So now, price has created. Looking at this, if this price closed like this, seems like price has created a level of resistance here. So we have a level of resistance. Now, if this price goes this way, so let's see how this particular candle goes now that is pushing downwards. So let's see. So you just have to just wait and see what happens. But now we have a level of resistance price has created, which is good. So we need to see how this price goes. So if you get the closure below here, then we're looking to look to sell. So let us wait. We have like few minutes left. We have about 11 minutes to wait for this candle. So let's see how the candle close. Mind you, you have to wait for closure. You have to wait for price to actually close. You have to wait for the candle to close. So the candles actually have to close. So once we see the closure of the candles, then we can anticipate buying, selling, or doing whatever I want to do. But for now, we can't do anything but wait. You get. So because we don't even know if this is actually a resistance or price is just this particular candle is already testing for price to actually break back the highs and start driving to the upside. I don't know if that makes sense. So we just have to wait and see how the candles print out. Then we know exactly what we're going to do. So let's wait. We have about 9 more minutes to the end of the candle. So let us wait for 9 minutes and let's see how the candle forms, how it ends and everything. Then we know if we're going to look for sales. But let's stay active, guys. Let's stay active. I feel like something's coming out soon. So let us wait and see how the candles close. Then we know exactly what we're going to do. But for now, let's wait. Hello. So we have about 5 more minutes to the end of the candle, and nothing is actually going on here. The candle is just dancing, but I like the fact that price has actually created a level of resistance for us. So at this point, this might likely change the game if the price closes this way. First of all, let me measure this range. Let's see something. This might actually change the game. This is about 40. So if the next candle can close bullish, if the next candle can close bullish. Uh, this candle can close bullish like this. Like if this candle closes like this candle can close bullish like this. Then we can actually look for opportunities to go long from here instead because we have this level drawn here. If better still, it should close. Yeah, that's basically it. That's basically it. So let's wait and see if that is going to happen. So we're still going to be here for a while, but I'm still not going to stay long because this is NFP and I do not want to be looking at charts for too long before NFP. So that's basically what I want to be doing today. Alright guys, gold is ending in 2 minutes. We are still here to decide. It's here to decide where he wants to move to. So, it's here to decide where he wants to move to. Although it has broken below this low, but that's not enough. And it's having close too, so it's here to decide where he wants to move to. So we're waiting to see how that turns up. Or turns out to be instead. So wait for a sharp 15 minutes. And if you don't get anything exciting, if you don't get anything from this trade, then we're going to call it a day and we'll come back. We're going to call it a section and we'll come back doing anyone. Doing basically doing NFP. So that's it, guys. So waiting. We have about a few seconds left for the candle to close, and it's not doing anything. So not doing anything. You don't have to just wait. That's it. It's a waiting game. You just have to wait for opportunities. What is GJ doing now? Okay, GJ not doing anything. So let's just wait and see what's going on. So the price has ended. The price actually closed. 30 minutes has closed. So since the price has closed, let's see if the next 15 minutes will actually close below the structure. Then if you can get the 15-minute trend below the structure, which is good, then you can look to sell. We need to sell basically. So let's just wait. Let's wait. I know we're inching to probably buy or sell, but let's wait. We need a much cleaner trade. We need a much cleaner trade, so let's wait. Anyway, guys, you can see the rejection candles over here, and this is the level here. So let's wait. We miss the move. We miss the move. So let's just wait. Never mind, guys. Level minutes, guys. So in less than 11 minutes, we're going to know exactly what's going to happen on this pair. So let's wait. Let me continue what I'm doing. So my attention will draw back to you guys once the candle is about to close. Yeah, that's it. The price is moving down a lot, but it hasn't ended yet. So let's see how it's going to close. We have just 9 minutes left for the candle. So let's see if we're going to get a decent closure or just closing where we cannot even bother to place a trade. So from here, we still have about this one count is around 44 bips. Stop loss can be CB around this range. So let's just wait 8 minutes. Let us wait. If you don't get a trade now, probably we'll get a trade in the afternoon. So let's just wait. Definitely there's going to be a trade. So let's just wait and see how they basically present themselves. Let's wait. We're basically halfway there, halfway to the range.
Lean into the sounds you love. Take your playlists anywhere with offline downloads, or play your song of the moment again and again with unlimited repeats. Get all the music without hearing audio ads on Spotify Premium.
In 15 minutes, look like I will leave the stream. Let's wait 6 more minutes. Let's see. If you don't get something decent, you don't get something good. There's volume. This is like volume has kicked in the stream now. So let's wait and see how this can close. God is going like it's going. I don't think we're going to get any opportunities unless this rejects. I don't think we're going to get any opportunities. candle. Any candle. I think this candle just closed below the structure. We probably look for opportunities from there as well. Okay. We have okay, so gold is rejecting now. It's rejecting now, but hopefully it doesn't still, hopefully it still doesn't close above this level. Look at this level now. Hopefully it doesn't close above this level. So if it closes like this, then we can actually give it another opportunity for ourselves. Well, but let's see. Let's see. What the 5 minutes doing? What the 5 minutes doing? Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's wait for this. Let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. It's just pushed down already, but hopefully, let's see. It should not push back up because you can see there's a lot of rejection. And for me to enter it, I actually need a very steep top break. Any price you actually push up, I push up very well, then you can get it at the flip. Then you can buy to this low. Yeah. So this is something I can see that I want to do. But if it doesn't do that, I don't think I would be interested in this trade. Let's see. We have about a few seconds left for the candle to close. I'll know a few minutes if I'm going to give this trade. Just give it a go, or I'll just call it. So I'll know very soon. I'll know very soon. So we have about 19 seconds left. So let's see how the candle closes in 19 seconds. And we'll see. We just got one subscriber. Thanks you guys. Whoever subscribes to the page, thank you for the subscription. So the candle has closed. So I need that pullback. I need price going up. At least let's see if it says this level. Yeah, that's good. Let's do this. Let's do this. 6. Let's do this. Which am I not being attributors? My decide to start pushing upwards. That's something I'm very perceiving from this trade. Or if the price will push up really lower and decides to feel bearish, it has no business going back up anymore. So that's why I said I need a very steep top break before I look to sell it. You get. But if this candle breaks its previous 15 minutes high, then I'm no longer interested in the trade. You get. I'm no longer interested in the trade. So let's see. So let's see. So for now, let's leave the stop loss at the previous 15 for 30, 37 people, 37 people. See what the risks, what the targets, 77 people, what the targets, 37 people, 37 people. Oh, nah, this is the policy. Anyways, you guys see how much money is trade. You guys are going to see how much money is trade. You guys are going to see how much money is trade. You guys see, 1 second, guys. I'm not in yet, but I've sent out the trade. So once you get triggered in, you want to move our surplus to this place, which is 24 people. So for now, I'll leave it where it is. So I want 5 minutes to close first. I want the 5 minutes count to close first before I look to go. I want the 5 minutes count to close. Okay, so if 5 minutes close like small bullish candle, the next one can be a bearish candle and push it downwards. You understand? So if the 5 minutes close like this and the next 5 minutes start breaking its 5 minutes high, then I'm no longer interested in trade. I'm no longer interested in trade. But for now, let's wait. Let's wait. We're not triggered in yet, and we're just looking at the trade. So if 5 minutes close like this, the next 5 minutes I expect to push up. I'll just end the stream and come back later. You get come back later because I feel like price is going to. This is pre NFP, so I prefer. I know that price is going to like range for a while, like it's going to actually range for a while before doing his own thing. You get. And this is 30 minutes, so 30 minutes is actually rejecting. So there's so 5 minutes closed. Let's see. Let's see if we don't get triggered with the next candle. So you see, you're going to see how much money is my trade on the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, you guys will see how much money is my trade. Why not get triggered? Okay, I'm triggered now. We're triggered now, guys. We're triggered now. I'm triggered now, guys. We're in. We're in, guys. We're in, guys. So we're approaching 10 pips. You need to move your sub to break even once you're in 10 pips. You need to move your sub to break even once you get to 10 pips. We're close, guys. So what's going to happen is that I'm moving my stop loss to break even now. I'm moving my stop to break even. So we're risk free, guys. Risk free on the trade. So let's see if we can get 20 pips on this trade. We're risk free on this trade now. We're risk free on this trade. So let's see if we can get 20 pips. Let's see if we can get 20 pips. Risk free. This is breaking the previous 15 minutes low. So let's see if we can break the low. So we're risk free. We're basically risk free. We're basically risk free on this trade. We have no risk on this. We have no risk on the trade anymore. So let's see. So we're close to. Let's see. Okay, guys. We're broken a low, but not 20 yet. Not 20 yet. 20, yeah. Okay, if you got 20, you can close. If you got 20, you can close. If you got 20 people, you can close, guys. If you touch 20, actually touch 20. So if you got 20, you can close. But like I said, I want to hold this trade. I actually want to hold this trade to see how it push. But if you got 20, I've gotten points already, so you can secure profit from this trade. You can. Alright, guys. I'm out. I'm out of the trade, guys. I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade. Since we are trading NFP, so I'm out of the trade. I'm out of the trade, guys. That will be in doubles on the chart, guys. Doubles on the chart. Doubles on the chart. Doubles on the chart. So that's an easy peasy in and out trade. You get in and out. Doubles on the chart. Doubles on the chart. You can see hold it if you want, but me, I'm out. I'm out. So I'm currently up. I'm currently up. Spam W's, guys. Spam W's on the chat. W's. But now I'm currently up. I'm currently up $81 on the challenge now. Currently up $81, guys. So this for your channel. I'm not the hold, but I realize that we're also trading NFP. So we're going to be active for NFP. I'm not the hold the trade, but it's Friday again and we're trading NFP. So I got 20. When I just got 20, I just decided to close. I got 20 on the trade, so I got 20. So doubles on the chart, guys. Doubles, guys. Doubles in the chat. So this, I think this week was good. We were able to get 2% trade on stream this week. So that's a big win for us, guys. That's actually a big win for us. So let me update the balance. That's a big win. So what's gonna happen? The goal for this account, the main goal is for us to grow the account, and from once the account gets to the level where it wants to go, we're going to withdraw some profit, we're going to buy profit, and we'll do the same step again. The same thing. We're going to buy profit with our profits. Do the same step. Scale to like 100k worth of profit. From there, we scale up to 400. From there, so up to $1 million worth of profit. That's the goal. That's the actual goal. But I need us to prove to ourselves first that we can do this with a small account first. From a small account, we can make the profit we need to scale up. That's the plan. That's just basically the plan. So that is it, guys. So that is it, guys. So I'll be ending the stream here. See you guys during NY. See you guys doing NFP, guys. See you guys doing NFP.